Welcome to Flange Wizard, welder's choice for quality since 1981. All Flange Wizard tools are made in the U.S. Today we're talking to our value distributor partners again about another display. This is the Wizard Wrap display. What you have inside this box is the display including all the wraps you need for the display. Part number FWI-WD1. So we're going to open it up, pull the display out. It's a real quick setup because the pipe wraps are already in the display. You just put the back or header on it and it's ready to go. So essentially no assembly required, which is a nice thing. So here's the display all set up. Distributors now can have all four of the most popular size wraps in a neat counter display. What you get in that display are 12 each of the WW16 small wraps, 10 each WW17 medium wraps, 6 each WW17A large wraps, 4 each of the WW19 extra large wraps. You can keep this up at your counter where your customers are working with your store personnel, or you could have it back on a shelf, but it is a nice way to keep all your wraps together in one place. Labeled right underneath each of those slots where you have the wrap stored is the part number and the size pipe and diameter that these wraps are designed for. All these wraps are screen printed. They have the circumference and quartering scale and tape measures to 1 degree decimals. This is the finest wrap made in the U.S. Durable heat resistant material that will resist oil, gas, kerosene, and water. These are great to have out in your truck, in the field, or in your shop. There's a little note right underneath the logo there that talks about custom wraps. There's two styles. One's a 5 1/8 quarter wide, and the other one is 7-inch wide. Then after that, you can get up to 500 feet. The Wizard pipe wraps, the wraps the pros prefer.